In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check swap fees on MetaTrader 5. If you want to see the swap charged on an open trade in MetaTrader 5, the process is very simple. Once you know where to look. Swap is the overnight fee, or credit in some cases, that can be applied when a position is held past the rollover time. Being able to check it directly in your trading platform is useful because it helps you understand the true cost of keeping a trade open. To begin, look at the bottom section of MetaTrader 5 and find the Toolbox panel. This is the area where the platform shows important trading information, including open positions, account activity, and other details related to your trades. If your Toolbox panel is already visible, you're ready for the next step. Inside the Toolbox panel, click on the Trade tab. This tab displays your currently open positions, along with basic information such as the symbol, trade size, profit or loss, and other key data. If you have multiple trades open, this is where you'll see them listed together. Next, find the position you want to check. Once you've located it, right-click on that position. This will open a context menu with additional options that let you customize what information is shown in the Trade tab. This is especially helpful because not every column is always visible by default. From the menu that appears, click on Column. This section allows you to choose which data fields are displayed for your open positions. MetaTrader 5 gives you flexibility here, so you can tailor the trade list to show the details that matter most to you. After that, click on Swap. As soon as you do this, the Swap column will be added to your Trade tab if it was not already visible. You'll then be able to see the swap value for each open position directly in the list. This makes it easy to monitor whether a fee has been charged or whether a positive swap has been applied. If the value appears as a negative number, that usually means you've been charged a swap fee. If it shows a positive number, that means the position has earned swap instead. Keep in mind that swap values can vary depending on the instrument, the direction of the trade, and how long the position has been held. And that's it. Once the swap column is enabled, you can check swap fees anytime directly from the Trade tab in the Toolbox panel.